Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, Captain World on the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Dogfight, the ability to turn tightly is crucial. Watch now as Captain World shows you just how exceptional F-16 is in an 9G turn. At show center, you will bank sharply into a tight turn, capable of pressuring the pilot into the seat. Now approaching from your right for his last maneuver, a tactical pitch-up. He will cross show center from your right at 150 meters and perform a rolling pitch-up as he turns downwind leg for the landing pattern.
Attack display and a grand finale today with the airfield attack with pyros, which is stunning and spectacular to say the least. It shows full capability of the Air Force, and a solo display by the Hawk 127. And as we look deeper into the program, the Royal Australian Air Force roulettes will be a part of our mid-afternoon display.
USA 1014.
G'day, my name's the Squad Leader Steve Baker and I'm a roulette leader. The Royal Australian Air Force roulettes are really all about showcasing some of the display flying qualities of all the military pilots and then taking it out to the public so the public can see what we're really all about and the professional skills that the ADF has. pilots that are chosen for the Royal team are all instructors at Central Flying School. We're all instructors of instructors by trade.